This is the famous Diet Cola chicken recipe from Slimming World. And yes, we know it sounds weird, but don't knock it till you've tried it. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's delicious. Start off by cooking bite-sized chunks of skinless chicken breast in some 1-cal cooking spray until lightly golden. Throw in some chopped onion and peppers over a high heat until they start to soften. And now for the quirky part. Pour in a can of Diet Cola. This is what gives the dish a sweet and sour barbecue vibe and its gooey, sticky texture. Add tomato puree, passata, and chicken stock, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and some dried mixed herbs. Then let everything simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. The sauce should reduce, thicken, and turn rich and glossy. Add some crunchy sugar snap peas for the final few minutes until they're just tender. Serve with rice or mash. It might sound strange, but one bite in and you'll see exactly why this recipe is such a favourite.